So right now, me and my dad, we're heading to the chiropractor. So, because lately my back has been hurting, and I think it's because my rib is out again. So it's going to be a while till we get to the chiropractor. So I'll see you when we get there. So now we're just waiting for the chiropractor to pop my back.
Oh, we're getting sound effects in today. All right.
And then this is how I took off my sweater for somebody without any core stability. I have to hold on to my knee and then switch and there. And it's good to have at least like a thin shirt on so the chiropractor could see like what he's working with. So yeah, but lately my upper back has been hurting, so that's why I'm doing like an update vlog on this. Just gotta put my legs up. And then I just wait till he comes. That man, he touched me right there. I'm just playing. If you guys didn't understand the joke, I did that joke when I did a chiropractor vlog not that long ago, and you can check out the video right here. So my neck is always hurting because my left shoulder is pretty much always raised up because how my spine is bent. And then right here is where I was shot at, around the T11 area. And so that's always going to hurt since I was shot with the 45. The part that's been giving me problems is my like upper back, which is like the broad section, I think they call it. And that's the part that hurts when I sneeze or laugh. So yeah. How long ago, when did my upper back start hurting? Because I have bad memory.
It was Wednesday.
It was Wednesday. But anyways, it took at least
right
like...
Here.
It was like the broad section, they call it. Like the upper back. Oh, yeah. Remember that part you popped?
Yeah,
where it hurt so good?
Yeah.
I made a little short video about that. But anyways, yeah, it's like the same area again. And it's strange because I was on my medication and it's strange that it hurt. I don't know, like rehab, it irritated something or... But...
You got to remember also, whether it be rehab or whether it be adjustment, your body will sit there and go, what on earth is going on?
Yeah.
And so it can react in many different ways. Even if you're on a medication, medication is, let's put it this way. So how pain works is, imagine having a threshold of pain, your threshold of pain, right? So what happens is you're not on medication, your threshold's here. So you're coming up here, you're in pain, you're in pain. What the medication does is bring your pain threshold way up here. And so, but it doesn't mean you can't go through something that brings your pain up higher than what the pain threshold's doing. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So I mean, it's...
Yeah, because with my pain, when I notice like my meds isn't helping, I usually take a couple days off and then get back on it. Because sometimes I feel like I build a tolerance where my home nurse was like saying, make sure to take your medication before you go rehab. I was a little irritated, It's like, I'm going to be in pain regardless. I was shot in the spine. I have nerve pains. No medication is going to, relieve my pain, But my upper back... It hurts. It was like a sharp pain every time I sneeze or laugh. Do certain movements. Like I couldn't like twist. Like I had to like rotate myself to flip over. And so I had to have my home nurse to pretty much push me over.
It's a rib out.
Yeah. So I had to, because it was very painful to try to so I had her push me over. And I usually have my dad do that in the beginning when I was first paralyzed. So it's been hurting.
Have we ever talked about what it feels like to have a rib out of place?
No.
Okay. So when you breathe, your ribs go like this. Okay. And when a rib rotates and gets stuck out of place, when you breathe or sneeze or cough, it can't expand. It feels like a knife in your back.
Yeah, that's exactly, yeah.
Does that make sense? And so so that just means, is it on the right side or left?
It's on the left side.
Okay, there's a rib on your left side that's not rotating because it's stuck. Okay. So we need to get that rib moving. It's easy to fix. You need to get that rib back where it's supposed to go so that it can breathe.
My dad gave me Tramadol, and it helped because my pain, it was there for 2 days, and he gave it to me, and I'm like, but the thing is, I don't like taking medications.
Yeah, let's get that rib back in and get you out of pain. So a rib literally feels like a knife in your back every time you take a breath.
Yeah, it was like...
Right in here. And this is the biggest place it comes out is right here.
Oh, that makes sense.
This is the biggest place where a rib will come out. You can have it up here happen. You can even have it down here happen. But the main place a rib will come out is in this area right in here.
It's mostly my whole left side is all that hurts. Where I was shot at like midways, and then also like
your shoulder blade.
Yeah, because I was in rehab and they had me do like some stretching and then also working out, but without any weights because I told them my ribs been hurting, and they had me do like a squeeze thing and it hurt.
So by the way, a squeeze thing will push your ribs into your spine and jam it more if it's out of place. Okay. Let me get you. I got you use mine. All right. I'm going to do it a little different. Okay? Come on this side. Put your left hand over your left ear.
Left.
Now I'm going to move you around. You just relax. I promise you will not come off this table. Okay? You just relax. Right there. Because I'm going to slide my hand under your shoulder blade. Right there. This hand's going to go right in your armpit. Just relax this right here.
Oh. Yeah, that seemed like the area.
You mean that rib right there?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that felt good. I heard good feeling.
Putting a rib in is definitely hurt so good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's get the rest of it. Just relax. I got you. Here's one more. Thank you. Now I'm going to tell you right now. When a rib is out of place, all the muscles around it will spasm.
Oh, okay.
So you're going to want to ice that when you get home.
Yeah, I get back spasms anyways.
Right, relax this. Alright.
That'd be funny if you pulled and I fling back.
Oh, okay. Alright, move that shoulder blade around. See how that feels. That should feel looser.
Yeah.
Take a deep breath. Better?
Yeah.
It's going to be sore.
It feels better because when I used to do this, like I said in rehab, they had me do this and it was like a sharp pain.
That's because when you do that, it jams the ribs into the spine. And when it's stuck, it'll make it worse. Does that feel better now?
Yeah, it feels better.
Good.
So
let's flip over and get your low back. Right there. Oh, your hips are doing really good. Your right one's still just barely a little more stiff. I'll get that right now. While you're laying face down, I'm going to check one more thing, okay? Mm-hmm. In a second on your upper back. No. There you go. Better. Okay. Just relax this right here. There it is.
yeah, it was the left side that had something.
Yep.
Oh, and also for my back hump, you said it went down more, huh? Like
it did.
I could actually feel that there's not really like a hump.
Yep.
You know, doesn't feel raised.
Mm-hmm. So remember, if your spine is staying in place, the muscles have no reason to spasm out of place. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right. Which way do you want me to cross? There you go.
This way. So yeah, because I don't know if it's chiropractor or rehab that helped it, or maybe both.
Yeah, 100% both. 100% both. Because here's the thing: I'm going to put the spine in place. They're going to get the muscles to go down. How's it feel?
Feels good. So.
Your hands.
Here, face that way.
Okay. My ring.
I'll get it right.
That's not this one. It's really.
Relax this room. Lean back. No, I got it. Good. There you go.
Yeah, I felt like you might have
No,
it's hard to hold.
I will not let you off this table. Move your hands around. See how it feels.
Feels better, especially since I always edit all the time and just just with the mouse it hurts.
Oh, for sure.
So, all right.
Thank you.
All right, guys.
You keep holding. Let me do a thumbnail.
Yes.
Let me do a thumbnail.
Yes.
Okay. Hold on to my shoulder like you're concerned.
Just like that.
Like look it down as if you're concerned. Okay, there. That's gonna be a thumbnail. Okay, let me transfer. Alright. Thank you so much. I always
So how many followers do you have?
like 1,059.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's decent. I've been doing YouTube for about a year or so, or a little over a year. But yeah, I always feel relieved every time I come here, and always look forward to coming here.
Oh yeah, I'm excited to have you.
Just being in a wheelchair is very painful.
Oh, I can't even imagine. So
Yeah.
I don't know. Right here, just feels bulge.
okay, lay in your back.
And then that bra area. And of course, my shoulders are always.
I'm gonna pillow for you. Here's a pillow. He says go down your left arm or right arm.
All right here.
Okay, put your hand over your right ear. Oh! Alright, arm down. And you get the rest of that. The nerves that come out of that neck, down that arm, are right in here.
Son of a biscuit.
Cross your arms. Let me see. A little OCD on my part. Thank you.
Bottom one and one part one.
Oh, I wasn't going for that. I was going when I did that lean. That's what I was going for. You all right? Come on up.
Oh, this one, when you did that,
Just all the pressure out of there.
yeah, and then when you did the hug, I felt all that cracking.
You ready for now?
I'm ready for that.
Let me get your other one. Check your other one. Good.
Always a pleasure on that.
Time for group naps.
Alrighty. So now we just finished going to the chiropractor, and honestly, I feel pretty relieved. You know, I just wish that my pain level just stays down, because I personally don't like to take medications all the time. It gets exhausting and tiring. I've been doing it for 3 years, and I'm tired of doing it all the time. So I really give credit to those that's been paralyzed and been on medications for like 10 years or plus. So yeah, if you want to see my other chiropractor video, then you could click this video right here. And then also if you want to subscribe to my channel, then you could click on this icon right here. So anyways, I'm pretty tired, so I'm gonna go home, lay down, and then probably record Friday's video in a bit. So that's pretty much it for this vlog, and hopefully you guys liked it.